welcome to our channel. So I have this full body transparent silicone case for the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active to unbox and review. Let's get into it. If you're someone new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel as we do regular reviews for various smartwatches and smartphones, designing tutorials and much more. Also check out our playlist tab to find curated playlist for various content we post on this channel, where you will find the playlist exclusively for Galaxy Watch Active. Be sure to check it out. Okay, so I got this full body case for my Galaxy Watch Active from Amazon for 12 Canadian dollars. It was delivered in just 2 days as I am a Prime member. Speaking of Prime guys, if you haven't tried Prime, make sure to try it out for absolutely no charge from the link in the description of this video, where you'll also find links to purchase this full body case. It came in this plastic pouch. The one I ordered was a 2-pack with black and silver body case, so it's really nice to have options to change it up once in a while. You have various color options to choose from to satisfy your need, as shown over here. In terms of unboxing, it's nothing special. Open up the ziplock and that's it. Now let me try out the silver one first, as the watch I have is also silver. It comes with this nice foam stuck inside the case. So as you saw, it was super easy to put on just on my first try, which is really impressive. However, you do want to make sure that the side handles stick perfectly to the body. Right off the back, you can see that it did add up bulk to the watch. Let me show it to you guys on my wrist. And you know what? It actually looks good. Let's see if we can charge up the watch with the case on. First, I'll use the magnetic charger, and yes, it does work, so I don't need to take off the case to charge the watch. Nice. Now let's see if we can power share from my S10 Plus. And it does work, so that's a plus point to this case. Now let's test the touchscreen receptiveness. So as you can see, it does work and it does not lag at all. It does have small dots on the screen protector to avoid watermarks as mentioned by the seller, which is barely visible with the naked eye except in the bright light. Now as you can see, this case is a fingerprint magnet with tons of fingerprints. The Gorilla Glass used on the watch seems to be oleophobic, that is fingerprint resistance, but for sure that's not the case over here. But hey, for the protection of the watch, I can manage with that. This case does feel strong enough to handle impacts or fall, and will definitely save the screen from fall or a scratch. And it does wrap around the entire body, leaving no exposed part to be damaged if there were to be a fall or so. Even the physical buttons are sunken in the case. Keep in mind, the case does not affect the use of the buttons at all. Alright, now let's pop it out and see how easy it is to pop it off. Surprisingly to me, that did not feel difficult at all, and I was easily able to pop it off. Let's put on the black one and see how that looks. The black one even looks way better than the silver one. So that's about it for this full body TPU silicone case for Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. I would highly recommend this case, as it is perfect case with the exception that it is a fingerprint magnet, but that's totally fine as it will protect your watch. Make sure to check the links in the description of this video to purchase this case. Purchasing from those links really helps us to keep posting regular videos, as none of the videos on this channel are sponsored, so I do pay the full price of the product I review to provide you guys my honest opinion. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, and maybe give it a thumbs up anyways as an appreciation to our effort for making this video. It really means a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and take care. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.